Right now, there is a bag of fertilizer sitting in your garage or shed, and you're about to use it on the wrong weekend. Not because you're careless, because nobody ever told you that your grass type has an expiration date on summer feeding. Your lawn doesn't need less fertilizer in July. It needs 0 after a specific date. And that date is completely different depending on what's growing in your yard. Here's the truth. If you have cool season grass, your deadline already passed. And if you fed it recently, you might already be watching the damage start. If you have warm season grass, you have roughly 2 weeks before you cross the same line. I'm about to give you both dates right now by grass type, so you know exactly when to put the spreader down and walk away. Hit subscribe, because by the end of this video, you'll know your cutoff date cold. And next summer, you'll be the only house on the street with grass that's still green in August. Most lawn advice treats every grass like it's the same plant. It's not. If you've got fescue, bluegrass, or ryegrass, that's cool season grass. It grows fastest in spring and fall, and it hates the heat. Your cutoff date is coming up fast. If you've got Bermuda, Zoysia, or St. Augustine, that's warm season grass. It thrives in the heat. Your cutoff is much later, and the rules are completely different. Get this wrong for your grass type, and you're not feeding your lawn, you're burning it alive. Let's start with cool season grass, because this is where most homeowners destroy their lawn without realizing it. When soil temperatures hit 85 degrees, your fescue and bluegrass stop growing. The roots basically shut down. The grass isn't building new tissue, it's in survival mode. Now imagine dumping nitrogen into a plant that's in survival mode. You're not feeding it, you're forcing it to grow when it's trying to protect itself. It's like making an exhausted marathon runner sprint the last mile. The grass blade pushes out tender new growth, and the July sun scorches it within 48 hours. The last safe week to fertilize cool season grass is the second week of June, June 8th through June 15th. After that, nothing until September. Not a single granule. If you're sitting here in late June or July watching this, and you already fed your cool season lawn, don't panic. Water deeply, mow high, and let the grass ride out the heat. It's not dead, it's dormant. It will come back in September. Warm season grass is the opposite. Bermuda, Zoysia, St. Augustine, these grasses hit peak growth in 85 to 95 degree heat. June and July are their glory months. You can and should fertilize them during the summer. But here's where warm season homeowners mess up. They keep feeding all the way into late August and September. Here's why that's a mistake. As days get shorter in late summer, warm season grasses start preparing for winter dormancy. They need to harden off, toughen up their cell walls to survive the cold months ahead. If you pump them full of nitrogen in late August, you're sending the signal to keep growing soft, tender tissue. Then the first frost hits and kills that new growth overnight. The last safe week to fertilize warm season grass is the last week of July, July 25th through August 1st. After August 1st, you're done. No more nitrogen. Let the grass slow down naturally. So what do you actually do in July and August if you can't fertilize? 3 things. 1. Water deep and infrequent. An inch a week, split into 2 sessions. Deep roots survive heat. Shallow roots fry. 2. Mow higher. Raise your deck to 3.5 or 4 inches. Longer blades shade the soil and keep roots cooler. 3. If you absolutely must put something down, use iron. Not nitrogen. Liquid iron or chelated iron greens up the lawn without forcing growth. It's the only safe July feed for any grass type. That's it. Water deep, mow high, iron only. You now know the exact week to stop fertilizing. June 15th for cool season, August 1st for warm season. Write it down. Stick it on your garage wall. Your lawn will thank you in September when it's still green and everyone else's is brown. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. Tell me in the comments, what grass type do you have, and when was the last time you fertilized? I read every comment, and I'll tell you if you're still in the safe window.